What up y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dominic and today we're looking at the Movo VXR10, a $40 mic that I think is one of the best values on the market today. Let's get into it. Get into the unboxing and see what it comes with. This little VXR10 is only 40 bucks. I picked it up off of Amazon and I actually picked it up just in a comparison video that I want to do with some other microphones. So let's see what we got. We got some useless paperwork, some trash box, get that out of here. All right, here we go. Nice little wind muff. Very similar already to the Rode VideoMic Go. Looks like, and there it is. It's a good size. It's actually exactly, probably very similar to the Rode mic that I use regularly, that I think is one of the best mics out there that Rode puts out, even though it's only at 60 bucks. So there's the Movo. I love that it comes with a TRS and a TRRS cable. So what that means is you have a cable that can use for your, your cameras, your DSLRs, anything like that. And then you also have a TRRS cable that's signified by the two lines on these adapters. And that little cable is for your cell phone, so cell phone or tablet. So that's nice that it's included with that. That's an additional cost with the Rode. And then it comes with multiple shock mounts. I like that. They give me backups. Of course, we got the wind muff and we got a little pleather, cheap feeling case that we're probably never going to use. Okay, so that's what we got. We don't really care about any of that stuff. That's all garbage. But let's get into the sound quality. So I've been reading some reviews about this. This has been out for a little bit of time, and I'm really excited to hear it and hear how it sounds. I mean, for 40 bucks, I'm not expecting greatness, but to be honest with you, the Rode mic is $60, and I use it a ton. I really like the way it sounds. So let's plug this bad boy in. And I forgot to mention right now, this whole video has been shot thus far using the Rode VideoMic Go, which is the direct competitor to this. So at 60 bucks, you can hear what that sounds like throughout this video. And let's go ahead and change it out with the Movo, right? All right, so this is the Movo and I'm talking at the exact same volume with the exact same settings. So what do you guys think? Can you hear a difference right away? A little secret, I did a little test with this already and I heard the difference in the two microphones and I could tell right away that the Movo is much more sensitive. It has a louder range and more volume with the exact same settings. And it's still very, very clean. So in comparison to the Rode, the direct competitor, this mic will do much better with cameras with lesser quality preamps. And what does that mean? Well, that means that, a lot of times in your DSLR, the preamps are what's powering these microphones. So the more powerful the preamps, the less work your microphone has to do. But the less powerful your preamps are, the more work the mic has to do and the more volume it's going to put out. And that little hissing sound that you hear sometimes is a product of those preamps. So with this Movo, in comparison to the Rode, you'll be able to lower your levels, get good quality audio, have less hissing, and still have the volume that you need. So right off the bat, I will say at $40, it kind of beats the Rode. I mean, I know I've seen some other reviews that say the same things. I'll link some of those up in the description below that kind of get into the more technical aspects of these cardioid mics. But I love this thing. I mean, for 40 bucks, it's such a great value, especially with two shock mounts and the extra cable and the wind muff. Actually, before we get on, let's go a little test with the wind muff outside. Here we go. Windscreen, just the mic plugged in. How it's doing. I don't know if it's picking up that wind noise a lot. I don't know that I would be vlogging in this kind of weather, but it's great for my test right now. But this is the Movo with the wind muff. How are we doing? Such a stark comparison to without the wind muff on, I'm sure. So let's hear what we're picking up. It's extremely windy out here. Right, so as you can hear, it did great in the wind, it did great outside. Again, it's not the best quality mic on the market. I do have some other microphones that I like better than this that are putting out better quality, but we're talking about 4 or 5 times the price at a $40 price point. And comparing it directly with the Rode at 60 bucks, you get the extra cable, you get an additional shock mount, you get the little case, you get all these little accessories, you get a few little accessories, chill out, Dom, that really put it even more so. So if we add these all in, you're talking about the Rode coming in at about $80, $90, and this Movo still sitting at 40. So I think that this is a definite buy for you guys out there. It's a great value. I think it's definitely your go-to mic if you're a vlogger or you want something small and cheap and can bang around and still get good quality. Can bang around? No. I also think it's great if you're going to be using your phone or tablet as your recording device because it already comes with the cable needed, so you don't need any extra purchases. Another positive to this mic is it's actually been purchased and pretty popular on Amazon, and I like seeing that because the quality control in a lot of different numbers tends to improve. If there's issues, you know, if there's thousands and thousands of people that have bought it, those issues would have come out. So I trust that this mic is actually a pretty good quality mic. I would suggest clicking the link below if you guys need to purchase it. It helps me out, but more so just read some of the other customer reviews. There's thousands of reviews on this thing already. So it's a pretty good value. I think it belongs in your bag for 40 bucks as a vlogger or anything else. All right, y'all, I appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.